Okay, guys, cardiac guys, part 2 of this repair, guys. All right, this is a XTAN amplifier. This is the XTAN 604X. So that's, I don't know what that means, 604X, but it's a 4-channel amplifier, guys. At the beginning, I told you guys it was 6-channel, but what I realized, these says output on them. Output for, I'm not sure, but it's not speaker output, it seems like, but could be I don't get anything from them. Which guy says left position, right position, which I should have test. I didn't test them as yet though. But it's a 4-channel amplifier to me. And it could be a 6-channel, not sure guys, this amplifier, but XTANT guys amplifier. Yeah, the logo is upside down, but yeah. I don't know guys. Let me show you something now guys. So I replaced these up here guys. These little driver here, which is the 2068 guys. Yeah, that's the number. And 1 2 3. Yes guys, I replaced those. Okay guys, and then clean the board and everything, and check around if anything else is bad with this amplifier, and then only to find out everything's good. So what I did guys, I give it a little test, and then I found out it's playing. These 4 channels playing. This position here, I didn't check these, but it says out, so I'm not gonna mess with these. And this says out, you understand? Yeah. I'm not gonna mess with these position levels, but I should have tried it and see if they're playing. I'm gonna do that. Make sure it's not voltage come out of them. But no guys, I don't think so. Alright, just to let you know guys. So yeah. So now guys, I was playing it, and when I play in it, the amplifier, I plug it in this 2-channel here. And then these 2 was playing, these 2 play, and these 2 play. I do it by accident and put the wire down here without removing this and say, okay, I'm going to remove it. But it started playing, I was like, that shouldn't happen. You know, it happens sometimes when you can bridge them and stuff like that to do that in this thing. And with this amplifiers, guys, it did have a thing we have to bridge. So I remove this from here and this from here, and I put it here, and I should have a sound for this. These channel here, these 2 channel here, there's nothing guys. So on the board guys, you're right here. I wish I did have something guys. Right here guys, you have a jumper right here. Yeah, so you jump these 4 on this side, you can jump, take it up like that. Yes guys, and jumper it. Yep, you can see this is a little rusty, so I'm gonna scrape it. So yes guys, so this side you put it on, and then all 4 of these work. You understand? Individually, like how they should work. You understand? By themselves, independently. So yes, we don't only have this playing all 4 channel, 2 input. So yes, so this, and it says right here, it says 4 channel input mode. And over this side, it says 2 channel input mode. Mode select. It says underneath it. So yeah, these are the little things you have to move around guys if you want to do. And this can also play like subwoofer. You could lock 1 input to work all these channels and stuff like that guys, if you want to do that way. Yeah, and you could do it for like subwoofer too guys. I think I see something like that. You could just bypass them when you get bass and stuff like that. Flat high pass, you could bridge it for high pass by itself. Here it says loop pass, high pass and stuff like that. Yeah, with this amplifier you could do all of that with it, but it's a really complicated little amplifier guys. Well, it's not that little, but bigger. It's big, but very complicated amplifier guys. Very, very complicated. I don't really fancy it, but you know, in Florida here guys, these are collectibles. You know, a lot of people they collect them. Even the circuit board people buy them. So yes guys, so yeah, that's it. It's working. So I replace all these 4 here guys. I mean 3. I see here. Yes, well, it's a JRC guys. It's JRC. Alright, let me show you. I'll put it on a piece of paper. I have a little pen here, my little pink pen. For some reason, guys, So on the IC it says, all right, 2068 JRC. So this is the IT number, guys. 2068 JRC. Yeah. So yep. That's it, guys. So so let me give you guys a little. Let me see. All right. Where was I? See if I give you guys a little test. The pole light is right. Oh. Let me put this up. So I have a piece of tape. The pole light is right here, guys. You won't be able to see because I have a bright little light. Let me turn this on and see. I should have changed it to a blue light. This guys see it. I don't know if you guys can see it right in the little. Yeah, you could see it. Oh yeah, you guys could see it. And the fan is on. Yeah, that I stopped the fan just now. All right, guys. So let me see if I find a non-copyright. I think I have one, but let's see. What channel? Oh, wrong channel. I'm on. It's independent now, so yeah. And I'm playing it on bridge, so I jump easy. The volume keys, guys, is right here. Like which bridge, it's gonna use both volume key. So that is one like that. Down. So the volume keys. Turn it up a bit. This side now. Just jump over to this side, guys, so let you guys see what's going on here. So I'm gonna play it on bridge. I'm not gonna test individual channel. So before when I do this, guys, yeah, it was playing because it locked into this side. So now let's see if it's independent. Oh, yeah. That's something I didn't want to do, guys, and I told you. Let me do it right now. See if display anything right through these right here. Are they says position something? No, they don't do anything. I think honestly, guys, I think these play, but you have to do something on board. But no, I'm not gonna mess with it. Let it stay 4 channel. Let it stay 4 channel. Yeah. Let's see if I can find another beat, guys. Let me see if I can find another non-copyright. That doesn't say nothing like that. Let me see. Free, no copyright. Let me see. This one says, yeah, come on. I don't. That's hard. Come on, something. Everything's running cool, guys. Really cool. The normal temperature. Enough people don't like to see you do this. But yeah, that's just me. I wonder if I can find one more, just one more beat. Maybe not. Let's see. Alright, in that one. Let me see. Let's just see free. Alright. Wow. Yes, guys. So yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. That's it right here, guys. That's it. So for now, I'm gonna give it my own test. So just let you know, guys. Take a look at the circuit board right here. Yeah. So you see, it, guys, it's the XTANT. Yeah, XTANT. That's how I pronounce it, guys. XTANT. XTANT. Okay, guys. 604X. Okay, so yeah. So that's it, guys. Up and running. Fan is running really cool. Really cool. I'll show you guys if you can hear it. Right there. You guys can hear it there. But it's running really cool. Plays really nice, guys. Really clear. Surprised me. I didn't know it would play this clear. But yes, guys, you have a lot of stuff on it, guys. We have to. You could see them right here, guys. You could see them right here. We have to move around if you, depending on what you want to play with it. If you want to play be high, if you want to play flat, if you want to any little, if you want to bypass in the channel, you have a little jumper you remove and you do anything and stuff like that. But here it says front crossover. Right here, these little IC chip here, they have in their stuff. Yes, guys, this is like a little. This is way back amplifier. This is back in the days. I think these amplifier was way ahead of their time. With this kind of stuff you can do with it. You could just modify it to play whatever you wanted to play and stuff like that. So yeah, loop and stuff like that. As it says here, rear balance line input. Wow, look at that. So yeah, well yeah, guys, it's up and running. Everything's good with it, and that's it, guys, for this repair. Alright, Cartier Cardio for now, guys. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe to my channel, and there's a lot more to see, guys. Lot more to see. Alright, Cartier Cardio, guys, out for now. Alright, no respect.